So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install DrepFest OS based on Android 14 for MI11X BK40 ZPOFST. So the prerequisites are you need to have an unlocked bootloader and you need to stay on MIUI and you need to have this file in your internal storage, which is the ROM zip, and you should also have TWRP pre-installed. Now once you have already, you also need to sign out of your My account and Google accounts. You also should remove your password and security. Once all of them are done, you can reboot into recovery by clicking on reboot and keep pressing the power up button. Once the recovery is booted, head into wipe, advanced wipe, and then clear the Dalvik card cache. Once that is done, go to install and then click on the DrepFest Rom and then click on automatically reflash the TWRP after flashing a ROM and then click on swipe to flash. It's going to take a while. Once the ROM flashing is done, you can check for errors and the recovery is flashed properly. Now you can go back and click on reboot and then click on recovery. Now go into wipe, format data, and then type in yes. Once the format data is successful, you can reboot into system. So the ROM is booted, let's head to the setup. Let's go, the ROM is booted. The ROM looks pretty good. We have G apps pre-installed. We also have the camera app, the Google camera. The camera app is pretty good. We have up to 4K 60, no, we don't have 4K 60 FPS, we have 4K 30 FPS and 1080p 60 FPS. The camera app is pretty good. Now let's head into Gramophone. That's a music app, you can download and store music in that. Now let's head into the settings and check the Android version. The Android version is 14. So the kernel version I'm using is no kernel. Now let's go up into the Drep space. Under status bar we have battery settings. Under battery settings we have icon, battery style, battery percentage, and battery percentage in charging. Under clock settings we have the clock positioning, the clock AM and PM style. The clock shows seconds. As you can see, the clock shows seconds right now. And the status bar items, we can choose what will say and what won't. You can turn off the hotspot, you can turn on the mobile data. As you can see, it disappears. Under traffic indicators, we can show network traffic. Under miscellaneous, we have the logo. Display a custom logo on left or right of status bar. Now it's showing the DrepFest logo. We can change the logo also. Now let's head into QS panel. Under the notification, we have a reticker. We can replace our notifications with a redesigned version of tickers. Under quick settings, we have QS tiles layout. We can hide the QS and secure lock screen. We also have vibrate on touch. Battery style, battery percentage, and animation styles. Under lock screen, we have lock screen UI. We have the unlock animation. We also have a charging animation, which I'll be showing you now. Okay, that was that. Now let's go back into the system. We have general settings. I think it's a glitch. Set into customization. We have the mainnet engine. We can change the color. We have so much under customization. We can change the font, do anything here. Under we can change the brightness slider style. That looks pretty cool. Now let's go to the style of the navigation bar. I'm using the slide, so I won't be using the 3-finger navigation. And the icon pack we have many icon packs. You can see it changes up, and then we can change all these icons separately. And then we have the icon shape. And that is it. We also have the 5G working in this ROM. Let me just show you this. So that is it for this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.